For the first 1 year of my culinary career, I worked in an Italian restaurant, and all I did was make pasta, gnocchi, and risotto. So gnocchi is one of those things that a lot of people are afraid to make at home. But it's super easy to make and it takes very few ingredients. Now, you know it's spring when you see all the wild garlic popping up all over your supermarkets. And wild garlic and gnocchi go hand in hand. They're a perfect combination. So for today's video, we're going to do a gnocchi with wild garlic. To start, you're going to need some baked potatoes. So I've baked these potatoes at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now peel your potatoes while they're still warm. Now mash the potatoes while they're still warm using a fork. Then sift in your flour, your eggs, sea salt, and your parmesan. Now bring the mix together using your hand. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now once you have a nice consistency of your dough, spread some semolina flour on your work surface and knead for 2 minutes. Now form your dough into a log-like shape. And then using the back of the knife, cut them into your desired sizes. Now these gnocchi freeze pretty well, so you could also make this recipe a day or even a week ahead and freeze your gnocchi. Now we're just going to place them onto a baking tray and then get on with our wild garlic pesto. So for the wild garlic pesto, the first thing we do is just bruise the garlic leaves. And then you're going to add in your almonds. Now these are blanched almonds. A dash of sea salt. Parmesan. And a good extra virgin olive oil. Pound everything together till you have a pesto-like consistency. Our gnocchi to a simmer drop in your gnocchi. Now you know when your gnocchi is cooked, when they rise from the bottom and float on the top of your cooking pan. Heat up some olive oil in a skillet and make sure your pan is hot, and then place your gnocchi into the pan. Now it's important that your pan is hot. If your pan is cold, your gnocchi will stick to the pan and will not get a nice crispy outer layer. After about a minute, flip it over. Now you could also eat this after you boil your gnocchi. This is just done for a bit of more texture. If you want the traditional Italian way, just blanch your gnocchi in hot water and toss it into your sauce. This process should take you about 2 to 3 minutes. Now your gnocchi is ready to go. I'm just going to slice a gnocchi and show you how nice and fluffy the center is. Place it into a bowl. And now you could either toss some wild garlic pesto on top of your gnocchi, or you could toss all your gnocchi into the pesto and just let your gnocchi get glazed by the pesto. To garnish, some parmesan and some micro basil. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the recipe will be in the description. Until next time, bon appetit.